Hello everyone. Today we're gonna explore Kling AI. It's not new. It's new to us, but it's been available to China, and now it's available to the public, and it's completely free. It's an AI video generator. You can generate images, you can generate videos, and it's completely free. All you have to do is just to sign up, and then you will gain credits, and you can use the credits to create videos. Yeah, that's it. I just signed up and I got like 300 something credits. So this is an AI video generator, and it's completely free, and you can generate videos from text, you can generate videos from images, and you can even generate just AI images. It's very powerful. It's very photorealistic ish. So this video we're gonna explore Kling AI. The next video we're gonna compare it to Sora AI, the new AI generator from OpenAI. So this is the UI. This is the website. You go to klingai.com and you just sign up and you have full access just like me. And if you go to the community tab here, you will find everything been created by the community here, which is very, very impressive stuff. Like the quality. I mean, take a look. There's comments and here's the details. So this video been created from a photo, and this is the prompt. You can copy the prompt, and here's the details. It's been generated by Kling 1.5. Here's the duration. Here's the mode. Here's the length. Yeah, and you can clone and try, which is basically remix for the video. And here's another video here. These videos are amazing. I mean, take a look. Take a look here. And this is the image they started with, and this is the prompt here. It's very detailed. Again, with these platforms, the more descriptive you are, the better the result is gonna be. So it's always about the details and the prompts. Look very nice. I mean, take a look at this. This is amazing. The textures, the colors, everything. Even the camera movement is insane. Yeah, this is very, very nice. And now let's try the AI video generator. So let's go to the toggle here, and there's two. You have text to image, text to video and image to video. So let's try the text to video, and here you put the prompts, and I have this prompt, and then here's the creativity. The more relevance it is, the more it's going to stick to the prompt, and the mode is going to be standard, and this is the duration. It's going to be only 5 seconds, and here's the aspect ratio. I'm gonna make it just 9:16 just to make it easy. And here's the camera movement, which is it's my favorite feature here. I'm gonna put like zoom, and I'm just gonna zoom in a bit, and then we hit generate, and we wait. And now let's try the image to video. Let's upload an image. I have this image, and then I'm gonna put the prompts in here, and then I'm gonna leave everything as is, everything, and then we generate and we wait. Oh my god, 400. We're not gonna wait for 400 minutes now. I think this is because I'm generating more stuff here. So, and now let's take a look at what we created, and let's compare it afterwards to Sora's AI. So I created this one first. Looks very nice. Nice colors, nice camera movement, and it's very nice. I like it. I like the video. And here's the second one. It's a bit distorted. I think it's the quality, and AI it's still like struggling with physics for now. So, and here's the third one. I mean, nice details. It's still like it's just the movement. And so take a look at this one, And I created this today with Sora AI, and just take a look. Look, this is insane. I mean, to compare the quality between this one and this one. Of course, Sora is not free. That's the thing, and Kling AI is completely free. So, guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you want me to do more of these stuff, let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and to give me a subscribe. And thank you. Bye.